Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to show you the basic preparation for a traditional vinaigrette. Now, vinaigrette usually translates into a salad dressing or a finishing sauce of some sort. Most often it's associated with salads, of course. The basic ratio that most people like to use is 3 parts oil and 1 part vinegar. I tend to like a little more brininess and a little more bite to my dressing, so I'll usually do 2 parts oil and 1 part vinegar as far as that goes. Now, I've got a little mustard here that I want to mix in with the vinegar first, and this is just a Dijon mustard, and this actually helps in the emulsification process and allows kind of a binding agent to take place. So what I'm going to start with, I've got some extra virgin olive oil here and some white wine vinegar. And we'll do a 3-to-1 ratio so we can show you exactly what we're looking for. And that mustard in there will actually give me a little bit more of a bite. So in this instance, since I'm just making a small batch for demonstration purposes, I'm really just going to use a cup worth of oil. So I'm going to use 1/3 of that for the vinegar. So obviously I'm going to fill this to 1/3. And the measuring cups that are graduated on both the outside and the inside are quite handy, as this one is. So I've got 1/3 there. And I want to go ahead and just put in a dab of mustard in here first. And we want to mix this together. And then we'll start whisking in our oil. Now, again, on vinaigrettes, I mean, it runs the gamut as far as seasonings and how you want to flavor these things, and there's all kinds of infused oils and all this kind of thing. But for today's intents and purposes, again, I just kind of want to show you the basic preparation so that you can take your own ideas from there. And that's really what cooking is you just learn the basic principles and techniques and learn how things work together, and in this case, emulsify. And then you just take it from there. Use whatever seasonings and things you like. So we've got all one color. We've got our vinegar and our mustard together there. And I'm going to go ahead and add my olive oil. And we're going to use a whole cup. And I'm also going to show you how to do this by hand. And the reason being is that we can use a KitchenAid mixture and all those other kinds of things and drizzle in as it goes, but I find it's a little easier for people to learn exactly what's going on with the recipe when they just have to do it manually from scratch this way without any mechanization. So what we want to do is just drizzle in the olive oil here, and as we do that, we'll mix. And they actually have olive oil infusers that you can use for this, so just a steady stream of oil will go into the bowl as you mix. So we'll continue this process of just adding it and mixing it slowly so that we achieve all one color, and we'll come right back and show you the finished product.